Hey guys, if you want to see what I have for January's Boxycharm 2020, at least it's in this month I'm filming, right? Keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. I'm Steph. If you want to see what we got here, I have Boxycharm for January 2020. I first want to just say one thing. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been with me, thank you very much for sticking in there, for hanging in there with me. We're almost at like 50 friends that have signed up, because I hate that S word. Anyway, yeah, almost halfway there, and at 100, when the number gets to 100, I am going to have a humongous giveaway. So what I wanted to do is, I think when the number goes to about 75, I'm going to start showing everything. Of course, that won't be everything because I'll be shopping, but at least you can see what I have up until that point, and I'm telling you, it's going to be huge. Anyway, so yeah, Boxycharm for January 2020. Now, I have seen, let's just open her up because I haven't opened this. I've had this for a couple days, I know, but at least it's still in January, right? So the thing is, about this box, I have seen up to variation 38. What? Oh, and don't adjust your TV because you're not in the 80s. My hair is, for some reason. I put it up, and this is what happens when I forget about it. Anyway, yeah, 38 variations. Can you believe it? I think that's getting a little ridiculous. I mean, I saw it. Now I have been watching people unbox their boxes, and I have. Oh, wait a minute. I have seen products that weren't even mentioned on spoilers, like anywhere or anything to do with Boxycharm, and they're getting pulled out of these boxes. So yeah, I'm really like crazy excited to see what I got, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, so you open it. Oh, geez. Let me just drop it. Why don't I? Okay, so I'm trying to center myself. So when you open it up, it's this. It's the red one. Now, this is definitely the base box. This is a $25 box. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, I'll leave all the information linked down below, as well as my link if you want to sign up. Feel free. I just use the charms to... I think I have like 60 charms now, $60 worth of charms. I'm hoping to trade in for a bunch of stuff for the giveaway. Anyway, so yeah, so here it is. Okay, so when you open it up, it's like this. And there's always a card. And we know that, well, at least I'm sure by now you know the theme for this month is breaking the ice. And there it is right there. And of course on the back is a list of products with the prices. Yes, right? Yes, okay. So I'm not going to look at that. We're going to put that over here. And I'm just going to reach in. I'm trying not to shake the camera because the way I have it set up is kind of like, I don't know, rigged, I guess you could say. Anyway, first thing I'm pulling out here is, oh, okay, I'm not too upset about this, I guess. This is the Skin & Co. Face Gommage, which is a fancy word for exfoliation, just so you know. I looked it up. Anyway, yeah, it's the Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage, which is like, they said it twice in there. But anyway, there you have it. I like Skin & Co. I actually have, well, I'm at the bottom of their setting spray, and I also have their toner. So I guess this is kind of cool. I'm going to like, I can't really get that off of there. Let me see something. I want to just check it out and see what it's like. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Okay, well, let's just slice that open there and see if that works. Nope, that's not working. Okay, this is getting me mad. I think I've learned, I think I've conquered the art of editing. We will see. We will see. I'm soon going to upload, I'm very close to uploading my, oh my gosh, this is crazy. The part 2 of how to get free products. Very, very close, okay? So you want to stay tuned for that. Okay, I actually like the smell of this. It smells like the toner. Yeah, a lot. And it's just a, I'm just going to show you right here. It's just a, can you see that? Let me see if I can feel it. Oh yeah, and it's not as a, like I used to use Dr. Brandt, but this is doesn't seem like it's going to be as abrasive as Dr. Grant. You have to be careful with that one because I'll tell you, I kind of ripped my face apart like that with that one. Okay, so anyway, oh gosh, did I not bring a towel? I bet you I didn't. Hang on one second. Oh, here we go. Okay, I do have one. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So yeah. Sorry. Okay, let me get that off. Anyway, that's quite nice, and I'm happy about that. So, and let me see what it says here. Oh no, glasses. Yes, yes, yes. Blah, 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 blah. Let me see. Okay. Now, I did choose something. I forget what I chose. I'll see it when I open it. I'll know. No, let me see. Skin & Co. Roma. Okay. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. A delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, which I can definitely smell that, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, I don't know, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. Okay, so that's what that is. Gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. And then, let's see, where are the prices? Okay, this retails for, let me see, sorry, I was supposed to be holding it up. It's been a minute since I filmed. $28. Okay, so that's not too bad. Not for that product. Oh, I am so happy that I got this. Okay, so this is the I'm not going to open it up just yet, but, well, maybe I will, because I'm definitely going to use it. Maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. Okay, and there's a reason, because I can't tell you the reason, because if I do, it'll ruin the surprise. Anyway, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and I am very excited to get this. I'll tell you why. I mean, I can't tell you why, but just take my word, I am. Anyway, let me see what it says about this. Where are we? Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acids, rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. Now, whenever I go to say the word hyaluronic, if I don't think about it, it comes right out. But the minute I have to like think or read it, I get it all mixed up. Anyway, this is this is everybody, like, this is like a cult favorite, Glow Recipe. Now, I will tell you, I guess I could say, I do have the actual, what's it called? The moisturizer that goes with this, so that's why I'm excited. Now, I can't show that to you because I'm going to show that to you when I film it, so just hold on for that. And let me see, the price for this is $22. And this is, you know, I must say, I was expecting something a little bigger because, like, look at the size of my hand, guys. I know the camera might not show. You know what? Okay. I hope I don't drop you guys, but I just have to do this for a second because this is crazy. I'm so sorry. I always mess with the camera because, no, see? That's not right. Okay, hang on one second. It's only going to take me a second. Oh, God, please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. There we go. Okay, that's much better. All right, see, now I can look at the camera. Okay, so, yeah, this seems like a little small. Like I don't know. Like, it's like that big. Anyway, and it says, I guess it's the right amount here. Let's see. It says 1 fluid ounce, so it's 1 fluid ounce. I thought it was bigger than that. My bad. Okay, and let me see what do I got here. This is Manica D'Or. Now, I like Manica D'Or, certain things I don't. I have a lip scrub from them that I got in another subscription that is wonderful. But this, I don't know. Let me see. What do we got here? Manica D'Or Beauty Lip Whip. I guess it's a liquid lip, right? I guess we could read about it and find out, right? So there you go. Smart thinking. Oh gosh, these glasses, I'll tell you. A matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. Okay, this is valued at $21. I didn't know. I mean, I've never tried this formula ever. I've never tried any other lip products other than the scrub. So I don't know. I'm gonna hold on to that. I'm not gonna open it because I might very well put this in a giveaway. Okay, so that's the third product, and this is what I chose. Okay, now I remember. This is the Dr. Let me just take it out here because I'm definitely going to use this. This is the Dr. Brandt Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Okay, and there it is right there. All eyes are on you with this potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age refining eye cream. A perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. Now, I'm hoping this, I mean, what is it supposed to do? Does it say on the box? Okay, that's just illuminate the eye contour, helps smooth away lines, helps reduce moisture loss. Okay. And that just tells you how to use it. I was more hoping that it would, like, you don't know, give me like new under eyes or something. Maybe it will, right? I don't know. But I just want to like see what this looks like. Hang on one second. Let me just see. I'm going to put a little bit on my finger. So there it is. It's just a little cream. And I'm going to rub it in and see if this formula is light. Let me see. I'll go like that. Yeah, it's not a heavy cream at all. I mean, I don't know. Oh, I like the smell. Yeah, I like that. It's like a clean, fresh smell. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm happy about that. And this is worth $55. What? Oh, it better give me some new eyes. Oh, and it's not even a whole ounce. It's just a half ounce. Wow. 0.5 ounce. That is insane. Oh, good Lord. Okay, but Dr. Brandt, he is kind of expensive. Well, the brand is kind of expensive. Okay, so that's the fourth product. And the last one, I just was watching an unboxing with the Not So Evil Stepmother. Oh, shout out to her because, guys, I don't know if you can see or not, and I'm hoping you can. She did a tutorial where she tried on some of the stuff she got from her box. Let me tell you, I have watched tons of tutorials on how to do like cut creases. I mean, I know how to do cut crease, but I have hooded eyes. So sometimes it's tricky depending on what kind of look I want. Let me tell you, she did a tutorial. Well, it wasn't really a tutorial. She just was like, watch me, you know, and do what I'm doing. And OMG, huge thank you, shout out to her because, like, can we just appreciate that for a second? I mean, I know I'm not a makeup artist, but it really came out like, I was like, oh my gosh. And it kind of looked exactly like her. So I was so happy. Anyway, yeah. So there you go. That's my cut crease. But it just really, I mean, the way she did it makes it so much easier. So I'm going to be sporting a lot more of them. Okay. So this fifth product, I know I'm not going to, your girl got major dark circles under her eyes all the time. I have an iron disorder. So, you know, there's really nothing I can do other than like eat foods that are higher in iron, and even then it doesn't really help that much. So I always, since I can remember when I was a young teenager, 12, 13 years old, had bags under my eyes, like dark circles, and it's just what it is. There's nothing that really helps too much. I mean, I use concealer. Like I said, I'm in the battle of trying to find the right concealer for my eyes. Plus I have under eye dryness. It's a challenge. And after watching this, I mean, I'll have to try it, but after watching her use this, actually it was the Not So Evil Stepmother, and this is in the lightest shade. Now, I believe that's what she said, and she had that too, I think. Maybe it was a different shade, but I can't. This is Undercover 60 Little White Lies. What is that? 30. Okay, let me just read this. Hang on a second. All right, so Undercover Concealer is a lightweight, okay, wait. Pretty Vulgar is Undercover Concealer that is lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E, and I am not even going to try and say that word. Forget about it. whatever, to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate. I have a hair in my mouth. And to improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types. So I am assuming, it doesn't say what shade. This is for $25, but it does say 35H. Oh no, sorry, 305H, but I don't know, guys. I don't even want to open it because honestly, medium coverage, your girl needs full coverage on these eyes, let me tell you. I really do. I have a hair in my mouth and it's really bothering me. Yuck. Please, guys. That's what the, oh, I got it. Okay. Phew. That's what you get when you wake up with hair like this, I swear. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I'm pretty sure. I don't think I'm going to use this. I have so many, look, I have so many concealers right here that I have not even touched. I mean, seriously, I got this for free. It's the Boing from Benefit Cakeless Concealer. It wasn't cakeless on me, let me tell you. It caked up real bad. And then I have the Naked. I mean, I have all these concealers. And honestly, guys, okay, so, you know, these are expensive concealers. You know, this on the more on the pricey side. Honestly, what I use, you're going to die when you find out. Where is it at? Do I have it right here? I thought I had it right here. Anyway, it is the Makeup Revolution's Hydrate and Conceal. I use that because it's the most, it like, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't dry me out as much. Yeah, it doesn't last all that long. I have to like keep on touching it up, but at least it doesn't dry me out as bad as some of these other ones. Ooh. I thought that the Stay Naked would be okay, but no. So I have all these concealers open that are going to go bad. It's crazy. I should have never even bought them. Spent so much money on them. Anyway, so guys, that was it. Boxycharm for December. I'm sorry, January 2020. I'm still in December. What? Anyway, yeah, like I said, this is the base box. So, oh, well, let me see what variation I have. Yeah, that's going to be funny. Oh, I'm not too bad. 13. Not too bad. But it did. It went up to 38. I couldn't believe it. Like, I've been watching, and the highest number I've seen is 38. So, wow. Wow, Boxycharm. Really? 38 for... I can't even believe it. What happened to when it was only like 1 or 2 boxes? I remember that. I remember that. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for tuning in to watch me unbox January 2020 Boxycharm. And thank you so much for signing up to my channel and being what I like to call part of this channel and a friend. That's what my people are. I don't like that S word at all. That's YouTube's term, not mine. So anyway, till the next one, please have a wonderful day, night, whatever it is when you're viewing this video, and I will see you in the next one.